The newest version of Propwire is now live, and you're going to love these new upgrades and membership programs. Propwire now has 11 new exclusive AI leads, better skip tracing packages, and more advanced search filters and additional property details. Now, in this video, I'm going to outline all of these new features and benefits, all to help you do more deals and make more money. Coming up. My name is Jerry Norton. I'm the co-founder of Propwire.com. Propwire is the nation's fastest growing real estate software. With over 157 million properties nationwide, Propwire has taken the real estate data industry by storm. Since its launch in 2023, as of this recording, there have been 1.2 billion properties downloaded and 12.8 million properties skip traced. We've worked tirelessly around the clock to make Propwire the best data software on the market and provide you with the very best user experience. When we first developed the concept of Propwire, my vision was to create a data software that every single real estate person would use. Our goal was and still is to have millions of active users, and we are on track to do that. We want Propwire to be like the Zillow of distressed seller data. Now, to accomplish that, we've invested millions to make Propwire free to search and download data. That's right, no monthly subscription. As a result, Propwire has completely disrupted the data industry and will continue to do so. Now, while we want to still make Propwire free to the world, we also understand the value of exclusivity, the ability to get exclusive data and advanced tools and features. So we added and upgraded a few really cool membership programs that provide tons of additional value and benefits. Now, the way you want to look at Propwire now is there are basically 3 different levels, and I'm going to break these down one by one. The first level is for all free users, and we refer to this level as basic users. Basic users can do unlimited data searches for free. This includes all property details like mortgage data, transaction history, owner profiles, market trends, and one of our most commonly used features, comping and analyzing properties. All for free, no subscription required. Basic users can also download 10,000 property searches per month for free. Now, other data software providers charge $97 a month to do the same, making Propwire a huge value for the real estate community. Now, this gives you the opportunity to find and market to motivated sellers for free. We also added a really fun little bonus for basic users, 10 free skip trace credits per month. Now, this is great for doing specific property research. Let's say your neighbor gives you a hot lead about a property on your street and you want to call the owner, or you found a cash buyer who bought the house next to your deal and you want to be able to call him. You can skip trace 10 properties per month for free. Our goal is to wet your whistle and get you excited about doing bulk skip tracing, which I'll talk about in a minute. Now, to prevent fraud, you will need to verify your phone number to unlock your free skip tracing credits. Now, once you're ready to take your real estate business to a whole nother level, you will need the Propwire Gold membership. Now, the price for Gold is just $119 per month, and wait till you see everything that's included. It's insane. First of all, Gold members get unlimited property downloads. That means there is no limit to the number of lists or properties that you can download for direct mail, cold calling, Facebook or Google campaigns, SMS, or anything else you want. Honestly, you're not going to find another software that gives you unlimited downloads at any price. So the value of this is truly priceless. Next is what everyone is excited about, and that is bulk skip tracing. You know, the regular price for single skip tracing for basic users is 10 cents per skip trace, but Gold members now get 10,000 skip trace credits per month. That comes to like 1 cent per skip trace, which is crazy. Next, let's talk about some unique specialty AI-generated leads. Let me explain. Using the power of artificial intelligence, we scanned over 157 million properties nationwide for a combination of owner profiles and characteristics that indicate ultra-motivated sellers. Then it creates 7 different specialty lists in real time that you can access with one click in our lead type drop-down menu. For example, we have a creative financing lead type that is only available to Gold members. For this search, our AI scans MLS listing descriptions for keywords that indicate the seller is open to owner financing, lease options, subject to, or other creative financing. All you have to do is click creative financing to see a list of these properties instantly. Or our desperate landlord list, which is a combination of vacant house data, absentee owner filters, number of years owned, and high equity. This desperate list is way more targeted than the standard tired landlord list. Now, like I said, there are 7 of these different AI specialty lists. And what's cool is with Gold, you get unlimited downloads. And since these are highly targeted lists, You save time and money by focusing on the best leads, not the most leads, and your profit per deal is almost guaranteed to go up. Be sure to check out all 7 of these specialty lists on Propwire on the leads drop-down menu. Next, let me briefly tell you about 2 really cool bonuses that we included for Gold members. Bonus number 1 is you get access to over 100 hours of video training from my certified expert coaches. Everything from wholesaling to flipping to creative finance. These trainings are like a masterclass in real estate investing as a free bonus right inside your account as a Gold member. The second bonus is our entire library of investing resources. I'm talking about attorney-approved contracts, deal analyzers, offer calculators, agent, seller, and cash buyer scripts, marketing templates, creative financing, and other step-by-step guides, even my 100% funding kit and other proprietary secrets. These resources have taken over 20 years to document and build for you, and they represent the very best in real estate education, and you get them as a free bonus as a Gold member. So let me review everything that you get with Gold. For only $119 a month, you get unlimited property downloads, including 7 different AI-generated specialty lists. You get 10,000 skip traces per month, plus over 100 hours of video training and the entire suite of investing tools and resources. Honestly, it would be crazy not to jump on this offer. I mean, we recently had an investor on his deathbed in the hospital reach out to us, and his biggest regret in his life was that he didn't sign up for Propwire Gold. Take a listen to what he had to say.
Is there anything you regret?
Only one thing, not buying Propwire Gold.
What is Propwire Gold?
Yeah, only the best real estate investing software on the planet.
I could have been rich and traveled the world. Instead, I was stuck in this one-horse town my whole life.
Is it too late for me?
No, it's never too late. Go to propwiregold.com now.
Now that's really heartbreaking. Don't be like that guy. It's not too late for you to be rich and travel the world. Just go to propwiregold.com. Next, let's talk about a new add-on subscription to complement your Gold membership. Now this is for investors looking for more exclusive data. And we call this the premium membership. And for just $99 a month, you get 9 different specialty leads. 5 of these leads come directly from the county courthouse and have to be manually extracted. And because they aren't easy to get and not offered anywhere else, they are extremely valuable. These 5 courthouse leads include bankruptcy, divorce, code violations, tax liens, and non-tax liens such as HOA liens, mechanic liens, and utility liens. But it gets even better. Premium members also get access to 4 different AI-generated leads. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, AI updates these lists in real time that you can access with one click on our lead type dropdown. For example, we have a tax dodgers lead type that is only available to premium members. For this search, our AI finds people who owe a significant amount of taxes to the county, state, or federal government. All you have to do is click Tax Dodgers to see a list of these properties instantly. Or try our new Abandoned Homes list, which is a combination of vacant house data, absentee information, high equity, and premium filters. This abandoned list is 100 times more targeted than the standard absentee owner list that you can find anywhere on the internet. Never forget, the more difficult to get a lead, the more valuable because less people have access to it. And for just $99 a month, you get 1,000 of these premium leads per month. Now, another huge benefit with the premium subscription is the expanded property details section. When looking at individual properties, you'll see more information about each lead, including total lien amounts, number of liens or violations, recording dates, bankruptcy and divorce details, and more. Now, this is a treasure trove of information that you won't find anywhere else, and it will help you research properties to make offers on. Premium also comes with an advanced search where you can filter by amount owed and recording dates, and this lets you build a targeted list of ultra premium leads. For example, if you want a list of code violations from the past 90 days with over 10,000 owed, just enter a start date 3 months ago and a minimum amount of 10,000 and click Save. Then Propwire will instantly give you a list of these ultra premium leads. So let's review everything you get with the add-on premium subscription. For just $99 a month, you get unlimited searches and downloads. You get 1,000 downloads of our 9 different premium specialty leads, 5 of which are county courthouse leads, and 4 specialty AI-generated lists. You also get the expanded property details and the advanced search feature. To learn more and sign up for a premium subscription, just go to propwireleads.com. Now, if you combine the gold membership with the add-on premium subscription, you'll be unstoppable. For less than $220 per month, I spend double that on just one PPC lead or PPL lead. So these membership levels are truly a game changer. And don't forget, your membership is month to month, and you can cancel at any time. No contracts, no long-term commitments. So if you've used Propwire to do a deal, leave a comment and let me know. I'd love to hear about it. And if you're excited about these new membership levels, leave a comment and say, Jerry, thank you for Propwire. You are a flipping genius. Finally, Propwire isn't just good for finding leads, but it's also good for finding cash buyers. In fact, I did a video where you can watch me use Propwire to find 50 legit cash buyers in less than 20 minutes. So watch that video now, and I'll see you on the next video.